Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Midland State Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a midlandsb.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Midland State Bank, you can see the option of personal. You click on it. Now here at the online services, you can see enroll in online banking. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on enroll in online banking. Welcome to online banking registration form. Here for the enrollment in the online banking account of Midland State Bank, you need to go in for providing the following details. Starting from the very first, you go in for providing your username. Then you go in for providing password. Then you retype your password for the confirmation. Now then at the personal information you need to go in for providing your first name. Then you provide your last name. Then you type in for your date of birth. Here you provide your driver's license number. Now then you go in for providing your state. You provide your mother's maiden name. Go in for providing your social security number, that is your SSN. Country. Now then you go in for providing your email address. Now here you need to choose your account type by clicking on the drop down menu. Now you go in for providing your account number. Here after you provide all the details you need to click on the checkbox I would like to enroll in bill pay. I have read and accepted the terms and conditions of service. Then you click on complete sign up where you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Midland State Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for a online banking account on Midland State Bank. Thank you.